So we got this 2015 Mazda 3 hatchback that we're going to be installing the LEDs on for the headlights. We're going to be replacing the low beams and the high beams. These use the H11s for lows and 9005 for high. Right now we're going to start on the driver's side first because it's a little bit more harder than the passenger side. So the way I like to install these is that I remove the two locking caps or like screws that go here, nuts. Remove these, they're 10 millimeters. Once you remove that, you can actually pull the whole fuse box to the side, and you should be able to stick your hand through here to pull out the original. Yep, pop it out, H11. Cool, and then you're gonna just get your H11. We're using the LA's H11s, okay? And it's installed pretty much right there. So all we're gonna do now is gonna plug it in. All right, so to make it a little bit more easier as well, you can remove the top cover from this just to allow you to a little bit more spacing, because it kind of hits on this side and it doesn't let you move it. So like this, you get some more space. I was able to still go through here. You can see your bulb right there is connected, and if you can light it up, that's how it will look. Okay, that's the LED right there, and then that's your stock. Alright, so now we're going to do the passenger side. It's pretty easy. If you can get the camera in here, you can see you have more space to work with compared to your driver's side. So your bulb is going to be in this area. Pretty much what I recommend first is unplug it. It's a push pin, push clip. Push it in, pop out, and then twist your bulb out. Comes out like that. Very easy. Okay. And then just get your new bulb. Alright, so with that, this concludes the low beam installation. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. And thank you for watching. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.